Morning everyone, how are we doing? This is the first time I've taken the Z50J out with the GoPro. Hello Mr. Laws. See how Mr. Laws is doing. Yeah, Nick.
This is the small one, this is the small one.
This is the small old one.
Can't call it old, look, it's perfect.
Wow, it's older than me.
Really?
Yeah, it's 76.
I can't get over that pen. I cannot get over it. Oh, I will do damage. Don't worry about it.
Cheers, Nick. Now, where were we? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the first time I've taken out the Z50J with a GoPro, so in for a little treat today. Gonna take it to Appledore, I think, see the sea. Even though we can see the sea right there. I haven't properly ridden this since probably this time last year. So I put some new tyres on it. Fresh fuel. You'll see in a previous video I've done some bits of work to it, a bit of fine tuning, new coil, spark plug. I definitely needed a spark plug, and now it's running mint. It runs absolutely lovely. It looks nice out here today, but we've got a strong, bitterly easterly wind, so it is a bit fresh out today. But that's why I've got my gloves on. It's not too bad anyway. See, I'm not sure what you can see through the camera, but see if you can see people's reaction as you go past. They absolutely love it. That's why I just keep beeping at them. I think I've got a poor connection with the battery as well. I put a new battery on it last year or year before. Hasn't made any difference. You still need to give it plenty of revs to be able to use a horn and the indicators. So we can look into that at some point. It's not the fuse. I know it's definitely not the fuse. There might be a bad grounding wire somewhere, or might have a cut in the wire somewhere, but we can look into that. It's much slower than Nani. Yeah, Monkey 125. Yeah, this feels a lot more dangerous as well. You know, it feels like the front wheel will just jackknife at any point. It's alright though, you know, after you've done a couple of miles of it you feel more comfortable on it again, but it's just so much fun. And you can't be serious when you own or ride one of these. You know, if you try and look serious, you just look stupid. You know, so you've got to enjoy it for what it is. It's just a load of fun. Appledore, 1.5 miles. Whee! If you're thinking about getting one of these, just get one. They're so much fun. Like I said, you can't be serious. It takes the piss out of everything. You know, you just can't be serious on it. It's so funny. They often have the mini run around this area, or the old Mini Coopers, Mini Austins, all that sort of thing. And this gets more attention than they do. You know, I joined the back of the queue once accidentally. I forgot that the run was on, and there's about, I don't know, there's a few hundred minis. But yeah, this was so much more interesting to look at and much funnier. They absolutely loved it. There's not many monkey bike riders down here, unfortunately. Otherwise we can go out in packs, cause some mischief. Seems quite happy at 40-45 kilometres. I think it's trying to do 45, which is roughly about 30 miles an hour ish. You don't want to be going much faster or something like this. Hopefully we can overtake a cyclist. Yep, just enough power. Don't know what time it is, I don't know if Claude will be in yet. We'll have a look, see what he's doing. It's a bit cold now. I volunteer for the lifeboat station as well, and it's quite funny when you turn up on this. I remember one evening I turned up, I'd just been to Claude's for some chips and the pager went off, so I turned up to the station with this in one hand and a bag of chips in the other. Fortunately the shout was cancelled, so I was able to enjoy my chips. Funny enough, that was one of the crew members. Looks like she's going on holiday with a boyfriend for the weekend. Let's see how many people we can make smile today. Pretty quiet today, surprisingly. Everyone's probably still in bed. Welcome to Devon. I think the tide's more or less in at the moment, or it's coming in, so we'll see what that looks like. Oh yeah, beauty. What a stunning day. I think we're on about, what, 5th, 6th of March? Another crew member. Bet there'll be another one about somewhere. Everywhere. Nipping in and out the back roads. No, I don't think he's here yet. Unless he's got his monkey. No, there's his car. Remember, I forgot to adjust the brakes on this, they're not working very well. Morning. You're right in that one today. Yeah. That's bloody fantastic. Well, I've done loads of work to it over the winter, so now it's running perfectly. New tyres? New tyres as well, yeah, front and back. Where'd you get the tyres from? I need some for my monkey. I got them from online? They had a deal on, yeah, these are Bridgestone as well. And who put them on for you? Me. How's she running this far? Well, listen. Just beautiful. Oh, mate. You know, it's just wonderfully dialed in. Oh, man, I can't wait till we get out on the sun and stuff. I'm going to take a bit more time off this year. I'm going to watch you go. Honestly, right up our street. Done a little wheelie as well. I'll see you in a bit. Hey, good old Claude. Right, gonna have a look at the sea. Oh, it's just there. Oop. Better adjust these brakes in a minute. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Not many boats in at the moment. Oh, serene sky. That'll probably be going out later. Yeah, if you want fresh local fish, serene sky. They sell good fresh stuff. Oh, I love this place. Feeling a bit mischievous now. Go. There you go. Oh dear. There's not as many people as I thought there would be. It's only about 10:30, so maybe people will start to appear later on. They're going for an afternoon walk. Oh, this runs so much better now. I've done some work to it. I didn't want to ride it while it was running poorly because I thought I'd just make it worse, and not a good idea. So I spent most of the year on Narni last year. It's good to get this out again. I miss it. I really can't wait to get Rotty on the road as well. That would be something else. One wonderful little cottages down here. I've been in a couple of them and they are wonderful. Nice low ceilings, big black oak beams, the odd shop here and there. That's why I don't go on holiday anywhere. I just feels like I'm already on holiday. Pub and another chip shop. Gears, certainly auto. So you don't even have to think about the clutch. I think I forgot to do my helmet up. Better pull over and sort that out. Yeah, that's better. you're going. Oh, I love it. It's warmer in the sun. Not so much in the shade. See if we see anyone else that we know. Back at the LiPo station. Almost. Nobody about. What's everyone doing? Too nice to be stuck indoors. Getting a wheelie. Got it. Stunning place to be. Yeah, tire's going out. Right. Probably do with an extra gear. It's only got 3. Wow. It hasn't ran this well before. It's wonderful. And all that was mostly down to the coil. It was very hard to start. It was hard to start this morning. That's because I was trying to start it with the choke on to find that it didn't want any choke at all. I thought, well, I haven't started it in about 3 weeks, so I thought surely it'll want some choke, but no, it's just as reliable as a Honda should be. Used to misfire a bit as well. That should have been a good indication that the coil was naff. No, nothing now at all. It's just like a Swiss watch. through there. Eee. Everyone's just smiling at it. It's brilliant. You wait till the height of summer when there's loads of people about. I've had a fair few of the crew members sit on it and got their photographs as well, but I had to try and get more people on it this year. Bit difficult last year because of COVID. Wasn't as much training on either. Feels much better with new tyres as well, and that's made a big difference, and decent Bridgestones as well. Plans for this at all. I don't want to do any upgrades or swap anything, nothing like that. I don't want it to go any faster. It's just perfect as it is. I know a lot of people go and put 70 cylinders on it or 88 kits, whatever. Nah, I could have none of that. Keep it stock. How Honda intended. I'll take it down to the slipway and then head home, I think. It's always a nice view down here. Yeah, not many people out at all. It's a bit colder. Sunny blue skies are a bit deceiving. Always pops a little wheelie from first into second. Seems to be a classic thing with these upside down gearboxes. I think they call them crunchy 50s or something, because it's such a frugal clutch. You know, look, everyone loves it. Quite a nice little ride that was. I'll tell you what, no, I'm going to go a bit further. I'm going to take you to the Seafield House again. Nice bit of coastline that. I went there on Narni the other day, but if you watch those videos you probably wouldn't have seen this one yet, you know, with the Z50J. So I'll go down here for your benefit, show you how beautiful it is down here. This is Westward Ho, by the way. Westward Ho with an exclamation mark on the end. Southwest of England. I used to holiday down here when I was about 4 or 5 years old. And then about 25 years later, family and I came back and bought the holiday park that we used to holiday on. We didn't know it was the same park until a few years later, but it just shows how life works out sometimes. You just never know. You never know. This road will take you down to the Pier House. It's a nice pub, very popular. Pub slash restaurant, good food. Braddock's Holiday Centre. Might be some young kids about, so I won't go too fast. Yeah, nice little wheelie. Surfers. Yeah, should we drive down there? Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't swear. Let this old lady come out first. Yeah, we'll be cheeky. Yeah, naughty Alex. Said I was feeling mischievous. And there you have it. Nice little ride out on Oldy. Not a bad place to live. Oh, with that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. help but smile.